to Seoul and Kyrgyz like this one to tourists. No, I'm thinking further. I want to establish a legal business too.
Like?
You know what I want to do now? Just this.
Shouldn't you wait until we discuss it before telling anyone?
Don't worry, my agreement. This is just as good as time is in. No.
You don't have to tell me.
No. Like what I was saying, Justice. Don't worry, Justice. What I want to do now when the money starts flowing on the black market is to buy a bank.
Huh?
Yes. And by a bank, I don't mean those things which you save money in and hide under the bank, under the bed. No. But a real bank with the window glasses, computers, and pretty bank assistants were expected to see. Yes. Why not? And I'm going to call it B&MG Merchant Banking. B&MG standing for Babana My Giri Bank Merchant Bank.